Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you a primitive replication of a screenshot from a movie, I guess, from the WarGames movie. So in particular, the two screens I wanted to take a look at were this one right here and this one right here. However, I didn't get to this one right here because, well, I guess because I don't know how to do ASCII art. Basically, is the only reason. I mean, I took a look at it, but I, I don't know how to do this. I could even tell you exactly how to probably end up doing it, but I don't know exactly how to. So I guess I'll show you my close replication, but not really, of the first screen because I don't know how they got this gap here, and I don't know why it's there, but I know it's there. Now another problem I had, and I talked about this in the first video, is I had a problem oh, let's try it. It's over to the left. I had a problem with error level because error level satisfies any condition where it is the number or where it is above the number. So I was having a problem where if you hit like 4, it hit 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and all to 0 before ending and pausing and showing you what you pressed. So that was a problem. So what I did was I added a jump command, and this is pretty messy, but what I did was I added a jump command to the end of it. So it says echo you pressed 1, and then it does a jump command to the very end where it will time out for 10 seconds so you can read what you pressed and then exit. Now I think a pause would also work, but I didn't use a pause for some reason here. Let's use a pause real quick and see if it works. Save. And I guess this is a good opportunity to run it too. So first I'll show you. So it brings up this choice dialog after you press any key to continue. I probably could take out that pause there. So let's say I press 9, and it'll tell me I pressed 9, and you can press any key to continue. Well, what happens if you press like, I don't know, 2? It works still. Well, back before, what was happening to me, and I don't actually have, I guess I could cut it out if you want me to show you, but what was happening to me before is I'd press 2 and it'd tell me you press 2, you press 3, you press 4, you press 5, all the way through, and then it'd also give me the echo for this. Because for some apparent reason, error level doesn't like this. I'm going to take out this pause real quick because this is a little sloppy. Doesn't need to be there. Also, I don't like the fact that it exits out of the command prompt, so let's drop to a command line. Let's see if it'll give us everything if we drop to a command line. Let's try it again. Oh, it's press 3, press any key to continue, and it'll drop to a command line. Now, normally what you could do, because everyone wants to actually see what happens when you press 9, is you could, do this. Let me show you. That's the wrong button. Here we go. You could go here, and instead of pressing echo you press 9, you could do call global, and it's just abbreviated gtw.bat. And then this would bring up to a screen of the actual game. Now, I don't know enough about batch files to write that, nor do I know enough about ASCII art to even replicate the first screen from the movie, which is this one right here. So I don't know how I'd manage to pull that off, because, I mean, look at this. How are you going to pull that off with forward slashes, backslashes, lines, and colons, basically? How are you going to pull that off? Yeah, these are the 95 printable ASCII characters. I don't know if maybe there's a program for it, but that'd be pretty cool, actually. Someone should write that. Make a program that translates any image to ASCII. See, that's pretty impressive, but usually this is what it ends up looking like right here. So yeah, that's basically it for my primitive preview of the WarGames file I've written. If I were good enough at this, I would write an actual program for every single one where it would just call an executable. Because from here you can basically go anywhere. You press 4 and you can go to your executable for guerrilla engagement if you want, but everyone's gonna press 9, so what's the point? I mean, that's about all I can think of really for this file. Basically the limitations are I don't know how to do ASCII art, so I don't know how to go any further with this, but there you go. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you.